How to send SEI to Keplr wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this we will use Binance in this particular video, and we will open up the spot wallet so we can check out the SEI balance, and also just click on this option of withdraw on Binance and wait for it to load. Now select the SEI coin over here. Now it will ask for the address. For this we will open up Keplr wallet. In Keplr wallet, simply search for SEI and open up the SEI. Make sure that you are not opening up the testnet. Simply copy this particular address, or you can simply click on it in order to scan the code. And for now, we will just simply copy and paste the address. After that, you can provide the memo if there is, but there is currently no memo. And we can select the amount that we want to send. And after that, we can click on this option of withdraw. Click on confirm, click on continue. Now it will ask for the passkey. It is the biometric code of your device. Simply approve it and just wait for its approval and click on OK. And here you can see in the recent withdrawals, the current transaction is still processing. After the processing is complete, we will be able to see the SEI crypto in our Keplr wallet. And we just received SEI over here. And this is how easy it is to send SEI to Keplr wallet. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.